Hi everyone, my name is Claire McKay Bowen, and I'm the lead data scientist for privacy and data security at the Urban Institute, which is a nonprofit public policy research institution. And I obviously love rolling dice. So for today's March randomness, I'm going to be rolling a 20-sided die to see how many times I can get a 19 or a 20. And just for your information, a 20-sided die is actually referred to as a dodecahedron, or sometimes in gaming we call it a D20. Okay, everyone, let's see if we can roll a 19 or a 20 out of the 4 rolls. And we have a 4, a 7, 2 more rolls. Let's see if we can get one. A 6, and a 7. So unfortunately, we did not roll a 19 or a 20.